Okay, good afternoon. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with another special severe weather briefing for Tuesday, April 1st, 2025. Today, I'll be talking a little bit about our potential for severe storms Wednesday evening, potential for severe storms Thursday in the Northwest, severe storm potential Friday in the Northwest, and then the severe storm potential area wide on Saturday. Okay, a strong low pressure system that'll be lifting north through the plains on Wednesday will drop a cold front toward our region. This cold front will stall well north of our area, but result in the threat of severe storms over the northwest portions of our area through the week, and that is until Saturday when a clearing cold front moves through. Ahead of any severe potential on Wednesday, that same low pressure system over the plains will create a strong tight pressure gradient, resulting in strong gusty winds across the area. The northwest portions of the area, in the elevated area, the orange area, we could see sustained winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour. Some downed trees and power lines are possible. Travel will become difficult for high profile vehicles. To the southeast of this elevated threat, there's a limited threat of gusty winds. We'll have sustained winds of 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour in the limited threat area. Weak trees and tree limbs may break and fall. High profile vehicles may become unstable during any gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. The main time frame is from noon until midnight Wednesday. The severe threat looks to be or remain limited to the northwest portions of our area. Any severe threat will be contingent upon even getting storm development in our area, as the cold front is expected to stall well to the northwest, and there will be a more enhanced threat to the northwest of our area. But we have an enhanced and a slight risk threat across the northwest portions of our county warning area, where damaging wind gusts will be the main threat. Large hail, quarter to golf ball size, and tornadoes will also be possible in the northwest. There'll be a more isolated threat the further to the southeast you go, and in the green marginal risk area, isolated severe storms will be possible with the same threats. Damaging wind gusts, hail up to quarter size, and a tornado or two can't be ruled out. The main timing, again, is from 6 p.m. tomorrow through midnight. As the front remains stalled across the region for the next couple of days, it will remain the focus for any type of storm development, including severe storm potential in our area. The storm potential, again, will be limited to the northwest portions of our county warning area. And this storm threat timing tends to occur late Thursday afternoon, continuing into the evening hours. The main threats at this time will be damaging wind gusts and hail up to golf ball size to the northwest, and perhaps hail up to quarter size to the southeast. The actual stalled boundary is forecast to lift slightly back to the northwest, taking the greatest risk for severe back to the northwest of our county warning area. There still appears to be a slight risk across our extreme northwest zones, and damaging wind gusts will remain the primary threat, and perhaps hail up to quarter size. And then across our Highway 82 corridor from Hamburg all the way over to Columbus, and the severe threat will be more isolated, and the threats will be damaging wind gusts and hail perhaps up to quarter size as well. The timing of this is Friday afternoon through early evening, Friday evening. The main potential for severe across our whole area looks to occur Saturday night through Sunday. This storm system is still several days away and will refine the threats and the threat area as we grow closer to the event. But at this time, I dare say that damaging wind gusts and at least quarter size hail will be the main threats along and ahead of a cold front that'll be sweeping across the region. It's worth noting that we're not anticipating a flood threat at this time within the next 5 days, but this graphic shows within the next 5 days there will be a lot of rain that'll be falling to the northwest of our area. If the front were to stall a little bit further to the southeast, then some of this heavy rainfall may begin to impact our area. But at this time, again, we're not anticipating any runoff or flooding issues in our county warning area through Saturday. In summary, I talked a little bit about the potential for severe storms that we're expecting Wednesday evening. The severe storm potential continues in the northwest on Thursday afternoon and evening, and the same on Friday. Then on Saturday into Saturday night, basically Saturday night through Sunday, severe potential will be across our whole county warning area, along and ahead of a clearing cold front that is expected to move through the region. Okay, our next scheduled briefing will be 2 p.m. Wednesday, April 2nd, ahead of the first severe event that we've been forecasting. This concludes the multimedia weather briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing.